This Appalachian Real Estate property video is presented by Stacy Hyatt. Motivated sellers. Charming farmhouse located on 1.25 unrestricted acres. Plenty of room for a garden, another home or small animals. Oversized 2-car garage with workshop in the back. Farmhouse has 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. Updates have been made through the years. Formal dining room, main level living with bedroom and updated bathroom. Gas fireplace in the living room. Beautiful oak hardwood floors throughout. Original kitchen to maintain character, large pantry off kitchen area. Upstairs has 3 bedrooms, 2 with walk-in closets, newer bath with tile floors and pine hardwood floors throughout. 2-zone heat pump. Full unfinished basement would be easy to finish to allow for expansion or in-law quarters. There is a bathroom, washer and dryer hookup and some walls have been framed. Also indoor access via elevator, currently disabled. Easy access off state maintained road. Close to West Elementary School, town in Lake Fontana. Part of 7.51 acre parcel. All can be bought together. CMLS 26,011,435. For more information.